New Year resolution for women working from home with narcissistic in-laws. First one, protect my boundaries. I will set clear limits for my time, energy, and emotional space. Then second one, prioritize my mental health. I will not take hurtful comments personally and I will focus on my inner peace. I think this is very important. Then third one, stay calm and detach. I will respond, not react, and avoid unnecessary arguments. It will also help to protect your boundaries. Then fourth one, use polite distance. I will keep interactions respectful but not emotionally draining. Then fifth one, focus on my work. I will maintain a structured work from home routine and not allow interruptions to affect my performance. As at the end of the day, we have our deadlines as well as we have to work on our performance. Then sixth one, seek support from my partner. I will communicate honestly with my husband about my needs and stress. Then next one, build emotional strength. I will practice mindfulness, journaling or meditation to stay grounded. Then avoid over explaining myself. I will not justify every action and will save my energy for things that matter. Then create a safe space at home. A small personal corner for peace, self care, or quiet breaks. Again, it is very important. Then, last one, choose peace over control. I will focus on what I can control, my reactions, my health, my work, and my happiness, and nothing else. If you have any resolution, you can also comment us. And please like, share, and subscribe our channel.